Sometimes you need a webcam for Skype, Google Hangout or other video chat services. But the webcam on your laptop is not good enough, or maybe you are using an old desktop that doesn't have a webcam. In this case, you can always use your Android phone as a webcam. This video will help you how to use your Android phone as a webcam on Windows computer. First of all, you need the right Android app and a client software for your Windows PC. There are many such apps available on Play Store such as DroidCam, IPCam, LiveDroid, and etc. For this guide, we'll use DroidCam applications. DroidCam lets you use your Android device as a webcam via USB or Wi-Fi. So download DroidCam on your phone. Also install the DroidCam client on your PC. Now connect both your computer and your Android phone to the same Wi-Fi network. Start the DroidCam app on your phone. Then launch the PC client. Click the Wi-Fi option. Enter the Wi-Fi IP from your Android screen. Select the video and audio checkboxes. Then click the Start button. DroidCam open the camera on the phone, and we are now ready to use it as a webcam on the PC. So guys, that's for this video. Now you know how easy it's to turn your Android smartphone into a webcam that you can use with your Windows computer. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, then click subscribe and join us. Thank you very much.